how to fix WhatsApp voice message easily. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix the voice message on your WhatsApp easily. So the first way we have is the settings. Go to the settings and then go to the apps manager and go to the apps, go to the WhatsApp, and now click here on this option. It's called data usage, and make sure to enable all those network access. Enable them all, and after that go back and click on force stop. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the settings and go to network and wireless. Now right here on this page you will find the airplane mode. Enable it and disable it again, and then do the same thing with Wi-Fi. Disable it and enable it. Now that's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.